Very simple method for huge amounts of money. I earned a lot of money this way and now you can do the same. Hi guys, get comfortable in your chairs because this time I'll show you my secret way to earn $62 per hour with this beginner-friendly app. No skill, no experience is needed for this particular method, only you and your free time. This method is available worldwide and it is really fresh, so it's gonna work through 2021 as well, and it's very simple. All you have to do is simply make sure to watch the whole video so you won't miss out on any important information. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit that like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. And for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Respondent.io. So make sure you spell that one correctly because this website is gonna make us tremendous amounts of money today. This is a completely free, completely beginner-friendly website which is very profitable. These guys have been in the business for a very long time now, and basically they are conducting researches. They're conducting researches for every niche and category out there. And they are very good at it because they are so popular. Nowadays, Respondent is in the top when it comes to research. They offer all kinds of research such as product research, exploratory research, competitive analysis, business research, consumer research, and persona research. These guys have it all. Basically, how this website works is if you are someone who wants to conduct a research, you will just post the project, target the audience you want to conduct research with, and choose how much you want to pay them. Second is invite and schedule. Review people who have applied, then invite and schedule those who you think are the best fit for your research study. Next on is conduct video calls, phone calls, in-person discussions, or online research. It's up to you. And when you're finished, easily pay research participants through the Respondent platform. And of course, you can keep the respondents you like, maintain lists of who you've talked to, and conduct future research with them for no additional fee. And this is where we come in. We're gonna be these research participants. We're gonna get paid for that, and this pricing we don't care about. All we care about is that this website is trusted by researchers from the world's leading brands such as Intercom, Oracle, Dropbox, IBM, Airbnb, Microsoft, and a few others. So if you had any doubts about legitimacy of this website, now you don't need to have those because as you can see, very popular businesses have backed this website and they are partners with it. So all we have to do now for start is click on the Get Started button over here, and it is important that you choose this participant sign up as we are gonna get paid for sharing valuable insights. And this is basically like some type of survey, but the difference is that this one is paying a lot higher than simple surveys. You can earn huge amounts of money on this website as these researchers are very profitable. So let's just click on this one now. And on this application form, just your simple basic information, first name, last name, and your email. Just make sure to enter your valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link and you would need to click on that in order to start using your account and get some money for yourself. Alternatively, you can use your LinkedIn profile if you have that, or you can continue with Facebook and that will be a bit faster, of course. And once you do everything correctly, this is your dashboard. This is how it's going to look for all of you, and As you can see, they require me to verify my email right now so I can use my account. I can upload my profile photo, work email, and LinkedIn, but we're not interested in that for now. What we're interested in is these projects over here. As you can see, some simple surveys pay you $120. That's some great money, guys. That's really, really great money for doing simple surveys. And what I want you now to do is click on filter section because we want to work from home. We want to work from the comfort of our home and we don't want to go anywhere, so they made sure that they've got businesses for that as well. So here now you just select remote and now you have 106 projects available. Of course, all you have to do now is we need to click on general pop. So general population, because we are not industry professionals. We don't want jobs for that kind of stuff because we are not able to complete it. But what we are able to complete are these general population jobs. And as you can see, there is $25 for each one of these. There's even one for $150. So as you can see, guys, anyone can do this. Anyone is able to do this because it is for general population and you can even do it from your own home. Wherever you live, it doesn't matter. You are still able to use this platform and get paid. And that's only one way of earning money on this website because there is another one. This is a great money for start, and this is some active income, $25 for each of these, $150 here. It's a great money, but these guys have referral program. And if we click over here, you can see that you can earn $50 credit for referring qualified colleagues to a specific study. You can then get $20 for network referrals. So you can share your link with professionals in your network and get $20 credit for each referral who completes a project. So every time someone you referred comes here and completes one project there, you're gonna get $20. You're going to get $20 for completely free. It's completely passive income. You set it up once and you're going to get $20. How sweet is that, guys? $20 for each one of those. It's crazy. If you only get 10 of people, that's $200, and 10 people is so easy to get because I'm going to show you now a strategy, a website where these kind of people gather and they all look for jobs like these. They wish they have jobs like these. So go and simply copy this link into your clipboard and now we can move on. And for the last step, now we are at Trendry.com. So make sure you spell this one correctly as this is gonna help us tremendously. This is the place where people gather and they discuss and share the websites on which you can make money. As you can see, there are different sections as like make money, paid survey, affiliate programs, forex trading, review a product website, buy, sell, trade. And there are plenty of these you can choose from, even some cryptocurrency forums if you are into that. And you can see the traffic here is enormous. 1.4 million views only on this one. So that's some great traffic. And those people who gather here are searching for jobs to do from home, and you're going to provide them with exactly that. We found a website which these people are dreaming of. So click on make money, for example, for start, and in here you can see that these people have plenty of topics, as for example like this one, which site is pay you good amount of money. So that's exactly what we are searching for. You're gonna go right into this post and paste your affiliate link telling people that you can earn $25 or even $150 for simple survey. They're gonna go there and you're gonna earn $20. Imagine if you just take 100 people from here, that's $2,000 for you guys. $2,000, and that's great. That's almost amazing. That's almost unbelievable. You can go as well on the previous website and now click on paid survey section. And then you get some more traffic. And the sweetest thing is that you only need to set this up once. You're gonna go to all of these posts and get your affiliate link right in there, and whenever someone comes and searches for these discussions, they're gonna bump onto your answer and they're gonna use your link. So it stays here forever. It stays here for life, and you can earn that $20 over and over again. Well, let's say, for example, that you only get one of these per day. That's $20 every day for you, and that's completely fine. That's completely good money, and you don't have to do nothing. That's $20 each day, 30 days times $20, that's $600 monthly for doing nothing. Doing nothing, and you're gonna get $600 monthly. How sweet can that be? I don't know about you, but $600 every month without me doing anything is pretty nice. That's completely passive income. You earn that money while you sleep even. You don't have to do anything. You can just sit and watch some videos. You can scroll your Instagram account, and that money is gonna keep coming into your PayPal account or whatever you choose. So go out there, do some research, use these websites and follow these instructions, as they are very simple. Anyone can do this after watching this video, and you can do it too. So get up and start doing that, because only thing that you need to invest here is your spare time, and all we got is spare time. Everyone has some spare time to invest in these methods. The only difference is how someone uses his time, and we gotta use our time wisely. We gotta invest it into something smart and profitable, and this is exactly that. That's why I'm sharing it with you, so you can do the same process that I did and earn myself a lot of money. So right now, guys, go out there, take some action, and I will see you in the next video.